Hello everyone. A quiz on French U sound. Which one of the following words sounds different from the others in French? Here are the three options, option A, B and C. Here all the three options are ended with a consonant. The first one ended with X, the second and third one both are ended with a consonant R. So all the endings are consonants. Then which word sounds different from the others? Almost 9 out of 10 French learners makes this mistake. So guess what it is? Your time starts now. Yes, the correct option is Peu. Option A, Peu. Option B and option C are ended with the consonant R, and this consonant is mostly pronounced in French. In most of the French words, the consonant X at the end of a word is not pronounced. Option A, Peu, is a closed U sound. That means our mouth should be more closed when we pronounce it. Whereas option B and C, Peur, sœur, these two are open U sounds. That means our mouth is a little more open when we pronounce it. Dear French learners, watch the full video lesson for the pronunciation of the French EU sound. The link is in the comments. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Let's Learn and Speak French with English.